Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can leverage networking events to generate commercial opportunities for your carpet cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, and we specialise in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialise in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot. I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible not just survive but thrive, whether that's through this YouTube channel or working with us one-on-one in our specialist digital marketing program. So let's dive right in now to the video. So one of the number one ways that you can generate commercial opportunities for your carpet cleaning business is by leveraging networking events. And there's two main networking events that you can attend that will skyrocket your carpet cleaning business and take it to the next level and enable you to generate those really lucrative commercial contracts that so many of you seek. Number one is the Chamber of Commerce and the other one is the BNI. So that's Chamber of Commerce and BNI. These are international institutions. So you'll find a Chamber of Commerce and a BNI group pretty much in every major city in the world. Certainly in every city, town of America, the UK and Europe, you will find a Chamber of Commerce and you will find a BNI group. These are effectively groups of business owners that get together to meet, to see and understand how they can work together and pass business to one another. So this is a great way, as I said, to get in front of all the different business owners in your town, in your city, to build those relationships that will then lead to you, like I say, getting those commercial opportunities. There'll be restaurant owners there, there'll be real estate moguls there will be, shopping, center owners, there'll be pretty much any local business that you can think of. You're going to find them at a Chamber of Commerce or a BNI event. And so, like I say, this is an unprecedented opportunity for you to generate those commercial options. The reality of the situation is, this is a 1 or a 2 hour event. It's once a week. And just by simply attending that and sort of getting up, telling people what you do, and by simply going there and talking to different business owners, you could walk out of that 1-2 hour meeting with literally multiple thousands worth of dollars of commercial contracts. So for such a small amount of effort to literally attend one of these meetings and kind of meet and greet with some of these other business owners, just by simply doing that, this could literally generate you tons and tons and tons of commercial opportunities. So on the screen here, this is just an example. In terms of how to find these different chambers of commerce and BNI in your local area, literally all I did was just typed in Chamber of Commerce, and in this example I typed Fort Lauderdale, and I did the same with BNI, and effectively just go on Google, put in Chamber of Commerce, then put your town, and it's going to come up in the search with the nearest Chamber of Commerce to you. It's likewise with BNI. So just to kind of give you an example, this is the Greater Fort Lauderdale Chamber of Commerce. Give a referral, receive a referral, start with our directory. We've got all of these different events that are coming up. These are all the different members. And so, it's a huge opportunity. You get, member spotlights, testimonials, things like that. So definitely look up Chamber of Commerce in your area, attend a meeting, sign up to it, make yourself known to the other business owners, and this is a great way for you to generate commercial opportunities. And then likewise with BNI, basically come for our meeting, stay for the referrals, literally, again, I've just searched Fort Lauderdale as an example, and you can see they've got 37 members. They meet 7 a.m. on Thursday in person. That's where they meet, and these are the different people. So if you want to contact them and stuff like that, this is the committee supporting leaders. So you can see just by attending a couple of these events in your town every week, the opportunities that could present themselves for you and your carpet cleaning business are phenomenal. So you'd be absolutely foolish not to do it, and just by attending this thing, it could be a game changer for you. So I just wanted to drop this in a little video. Like I say, I imagine that some of you probably already know this, but there might be some of you that weren't aware that these kind of meetings existed, right? If you're just starting out on your entrepreneurial journey with your carpet cleaning business, well now you know. Go go out there, find your local event, find your local meeting, sign up, introduce yourself, and start getting some commercial opportunities. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, check out the link in the description where you'll be able to schedule a Zoom call with us. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.